Good morning, fam. How are you? Welcome to Angie's Place. I want to open up this box, okay? Now, I've been wanting to get one of these for a long time. Let's see what's inside. Let's see. There we go. Let's see how it looks. This is the box I wanted to open up yesterday. Alright. Just gotta pull it out. Ooh, this box is heavy. It was heavy bringing it downstairs. That's why I said it's heavy, y'all. I said I wasn't trying to bring it downstairs and bring it upstairs. Come bring it back upstairs. This is why it's heavy. I'm trying to slide it out the box. It's giving me some issues. I'm holding the phone. I don't have nobody to help me right now. My son is in school, and she's up there studying. So let's see. All right, let me see what I can do. Let's see. Just gonna have to move it this way, y'all. It's coming though. It's the model WPO8. Ooh. Come on, thing. Come out the box. Alright, y'all. I made it out the box. Okay. So now, I gotta take these scissors, which I don't like to use scissors. My cutters, I messed them up, so I had to order some more. So, let's see. Well, I guess they wanted to make sure they don't mess up nothing. I don't blame them. It's so hard to open. Let's see. All right. That's the instructions. Okay, y'all. Just give me a second. I'm going to pull it out the box. Come here, Belle. Come here, baby. Let me ask my baby to hold this phone right here. Just don't put your hand over it. Just hold it. Hold it.
Okay.
So Miss Angie, use both hands.
Okay.
Okay, keep it on the box, okay?
Okay.
Just like that, baby. Don't move it.
Okay.
Okay, just like that, okay?
It's a box.
Okay, don't move it.
Okay. It's your hand, Daddy. Look at your
Oh,
hand.
goodness. Just stay right there, baby.
Okay.
All right, it got wheels too.
Your wheels.
Okay, keep it just like that. Oh, you know what? You might have to help me with some videos.
Video?
Yes, baby, keep it still.
Okay.
Y'all, she got it nice and still form. That's my baby. Keep it just like that, okay?
Okay.
So, y'all,
Bye.
this is what I purchased for the children. So, because you know we're in the basement.
Bye.
And, So I wanted to get them a dehumidifier. So that's what I got. Let's plug it in. Keep it still, okay, Belle?
Okay.
Alright, so let's see. Let's see how it works. You wanna see how it works, right, Belle?
You're right.
Okay, let's see. Plug it in. Ooh. We plugged it in, y'all. It came on, so we go. Okay. So we gonna put, oh y'all, it worked immediately. Wow. Can you turn it around, got the little wheels on it? Got right here, turn it around. Down here is where you will unloose it and you take the water once it gets filled and you pull the water out right here. And you take this, and you empty the water. Oh, I'm gonna like this. I got this from Amazon, y'all. A dehumidifier for the basement, for the child care. Wow. So it's on 36. Turn it around. Nice little spin. I like it though. There it is. Wow. So I'm gonna wait till the summertime when it gets hot. I do have a warranty on it, but I'm gonna get my brother, my play brother, he's an electrician, so he gotta fix that light up here in the basement. So when he fixes that light up in the basement, I'm gonna get him to put me another plug, so as you come down the steps, this will be on. Man, it makes noise. It's not that loud. Let me see if I can reduce the speed. See. Yeah, see, I can take it down. So you can do it low, or you can do it high. Not too bad. So what it's supposed to do is give out the good air. Take the old moist in and set out the good air. All right. Of course, here's the instructions right here that I'm gonna read on, and yeah, it's the dehumidifier WPO8. And I'll let you know in a couple more months, the full results of how I really, really like it. But so far, so good. I'll see you in the next YouTube video. Thanks for watching Angie's Place. See you soon. Okay, so everyone, since you couldn't probably hear me on the other video, so I do like it. Like I said, you don't need a filter with it at all. You just it does come with a hose, so I do have the hose, but it's still in the box. Like I said, when the water gets kind of filled, I showed you where you can take the water out and change it, and you can clean the filter. You don't have to buy any filters. That's another thing I was looking at. I don't want anything with any filters. because I do have like a humidifier for the children over there. I'm gonna show you that one, and I like that one. And I could clean the screens off with those. That's easy. And I usually run that in the summer too, when the app for, the children's allergies and mine. But it's the WPS sort. So it's WP sort. Okay, we're gonna just call it that, the WP sort. And again, that's the lock, the speed, the timer, the the mode, and the power. And this is the tape, so I don't want you to think it's scratched or anything. You saw me pull it right out the box. This is the tape. I'm just gonna put the plastic back over until I get my play brother to give me an outlet over there where I want it to be. I don't want it in here with the children because I know they're gonna mess with it, and I think that's gonna be a risk. And you never know, they might put stuff like toys and stuff all in here. I don't want that. It's under $300. I think I paid $229 with taxes. I think it was like $250. Then I got the 2-year warranty. And then I'm thinking about getting a 3-year because you just never know on appliances. But when I turned it on, it was very powerful, and it also dry clothes. So I like it. I'm gonna put it back in the box. But this is the model. Okay. And I hope you enjoyed this video. And I most definitely see you in the next YouTube video. I hope you enjoyed this review, but I think it's a good one. And yeah, I'll let you know by and by. Maybe a couple of months, how do I still like it? But this is my review so far. I give it a 10. Have a nice day, and I'll see you in the next YouTube video. Thank you.